Good morning. I'm so tired. Good morning, everybody. Today is February 6th. It's Saturday. Here is my makeup. I literally just have this like green eyeliner kind of on. I'm going to get coffee. Anyways, so here is the fit. I got clean shirt on. I think this is Hot Topic. Black turtleneck, black mom jeans from American Eagle, and dogs. For accessories, I have on my rings that are like pretty much all from Target except for like this one. My earrings are both from Francesca's. It's like 10 degrees out, so I'm gonna freeze my ass off, but that's why I wore some layers. But I don't know how much that's gonna help, if I'm being honest. It didn't feel like 10 degrees when I walked outside.
Looks can be deceiving.
All right, well.
On that note.
I
mean, look at
look at us.
Point and case.
Who would have thought? Not me.
Is that embarrassing? Cause
yeah, a little bit.
In many
Coffee
ways,
time. Look, we're all here. Do jazz hands. Okay, here's how you make the coffee that I'm making today. Coffee, almond milk, but I kind of want to get vanilla almond milk. Nut pods, almond, and coconut creamer. And that's it, because I accidentally got the wrong syrup. So it was bad. But I might put it in anyways and just spice up my life. You know, spice girl style. Pour the coffee in. Not too much, because I like a lot of milk. Then, woo, you pour in the milk. Wow. And then I pour in this stuff, just to give it a little flavor. Wow. Moment of truth. Yummy! It's time for grocery shopping. Okay, let's go. We're going to Molly's Cupcakes.
I'm gonna walk up and go push.
Could I get one of the creme brulee? I got the creme brulee one and the chocolate raspberry. We watch Drag Race on Saturdays. Woo! Then we're watching the Marvel movies in order. So we're watching Thor tonight, I think. I've never seen Thor, but I've seen Thor Ragnarok, and that one is very good. Oh my god, it's snowing so much more now. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's pretty.
I'm making some pasta with vodka sauce.
Ooh.
It's done.
These are onions.
I'm kidding. It's literally only onions in the pot. I'm kidding.
Are you excited for Drag Race? I'm also excited because I'm the only one who doesn't know who goes home. Because I didn't see the spoilers. Pasta time.
Yummers.
Me and Nathan painted our nails. Look how good they look. Wow! Thanks for watching us do stuff today.
Wow.
See you next time when I do more stuff.
Or not.
Or not. Bye!